You've seen them, those viral car hacks that look like magic in a 10-second TikTok. A little toothpaste, a magic eraser, a can of Coke, and suddenly your car looks brand new. But here's the truth. These hacks are traps. Traps that can sand the UV coating off your headlights, melt the sensors behind your bumper, destroy your seals, and even blow out your tires at 75 miles per hour. Let's start with the brilliant toothpaste trick that's already cost drivers more than they ever saved. Number 8, the toothpaste headlight hack. Oh, you have definitely seen this one. The hack is simple. Your headlights are all foggy, yellow, and gross. You're not going to spend 50 bucks on a kit. No, you're going to go into your bathroom, grab that tube of Colgate Optic White, smear it all over the lens, get a drill buffer, and polish it. And it works. The video shows it. The headlight is crystal clear. You are a genius. But guess what? You just destroyed your headlights. Here is the truth. That yellow fog is your car's UV protective coating. And that toothpaste, it's an abrasive. It is liquid sandpaper. You didn't clean your headlight. You sanded off the entire remaining factory protective layer. You have just exposed the raw, naked polycarbonate plastic to the sun. For about 2 weeks, it will look amazing. Then the sun hits it, and without that UV coating, your headlight isn't just going to get yellow, it's going to get brittle. It will start to get micro cracks. It will turn a deep, ugly smoker's lung brown, and you cannot fix it again. It is done. You didn't save 50 bucks on a kit. You just signed the death warrant for your headlight assemblies. And on a modern car, with all the fancy LEDs and self-leveling motors, that's a $900 repair per headlight. You just cost yourself $1,800 because you wanted to save 50 bucks. That is one. We have 7 more hacks that are just waiting to bankrupt you. If you are ready to learn the truth, if you want to save yourself thousands of dollars in stupid tax, do me one favor. Hit that like button. Smash hype. And if you're not already, hit that subscribe button, because this next hack uses something sitting in your kitchen right now. And if you try it, your interior will not forgive you, and neither will your wallet. Don't say I didn't warn you. Number 7, the magic eraser interior hack. This one looks like pure magic. You're scrolling. You see a guy with a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. He's got a scuff on his black dashboard, or a mark on his leather seat. He gives it a little wipe, and the scuff is gone. It's a miracle. You run to your kitchen, you grab one, and you go to town on your car's interior. What do you think a magic eraser is? It is not a sponge. It is not soap. It is micro-abrasive sandpaper. It is made of melamine foam, and its magic is that it is literally sanding the problem away. That scuff on your dashboard, you just sanded it off. You also sanded off the factory protective top coat and the textured finish. That mark on your leather seat, you just sanded off the DYE. Your black dashboard now has a dull, gray, permanent patch that looks worse than the scuff. Your beautiful tan leather seat now has a bleach spot, and you have removed the protective finish. So that leather is now going to dry out, crack, and die. You can't unsand plastic, you can't unbleach leather. But you can turn a 10-cent scuff into a $1,000 problem if you do this. You will need a professional interior specialist to re-dye and refinish that leather. That is $1,200 flop. Okay, that fix was pretty bad, but wait until you hear the next one. This hack sounds like a terrible experiment cooked up by a mad scientist, because it involves boiling water and your car's brain. Number 6, the boiling water dent pull hack. This one is so tempting. A guy has a big, nasty basketball-sized dent in his plastic bumper cover. He boils a kettle. He pours the hot, steaming water all over the dent. The plastic gets soft. He reaches behind, gives it a push, and pop! The dent is gone. It's perfect. He just saved himself his $1,000 deductible. This used to be a good hack in 1995. On your old Toyota Corolla? Sure, go for it. But on your new car, your 2024 SUV, you just committed financial suicide. What is right behind that plastic bumper skin? It is not empty space. It is a parking sensor. It is a blind spot monitor. It is a proximity sensor. It is a forward collision radar. It is a complex, delicate, sensitive wiring harness that you just dumped a gallon of 212-degree boiling water all over. You have just waterboarded your car's nervous system. The dent? Oh, the dent is gone. You fixed it, but your dashboard is now lit up like a Christmas tree. Park assist unavailable. Blind spot system error. Forward collision system failure. You just melted the glue potting on a sensor. You just shorted a wiring loom. The body shop isn't just fixing a dent anymore. They are now, at $150 an hour, hunting down an electrical nightmare. You need a new sensor array. You need a new wiring harness. You just cost yourself $900. That's a hack that looks clean, but hides a terrible secret. This next one looks so clean and simple, you'll think it's a professional job. But trust me, it's one of the craziest hacks out there. And if you mess up, you could literally set your car on fire. Stick around, because this is one hot mess you need to avoid. Number 5, the WD-40 Engine Clean Hack. This is the old-timer hack. You pop your hood. Your engine bay is dusty, dirty, and sad. So you grab the mechanic's friend, a big can of WD-40. You spray the plastic covers, you spray the hoses, you spray the wires, and it looks amazing. It's dark, it's shiny, it's wet, it looks brand new. You have just committed so many crimes. First, WD-40 is not a protectant, it is a solvent. It is water-displacing Formula 40. You just ate the factory protectant off your plastic. Second, WD-40 is a petroleum product. It will chemically attack your rubber hoses. That big radiator hose, your vacuum lines, your gaskets, you just made them soft. You made them gummy. You just shortened their life by 90%. Third, WD-40 is oily and sticky. You did not clean your engine. You just coated it in a layer of sticky oil-based goo. You are now a dust magnet. All the dirt you couldn't see is now stuck to your engine. Fourth, it is flammable. You just fogged your entire hot engine bay with aerosolized kerosene. What happens when that stuff drips onto a hot exhaust manifold? Boom! Fire! You just cost yourself everything. But let's be generous. Let's say it doesn't catch fire. You just ate your coolant hose. It bursts on the highway. Your engine overheats. You warp the cylinder head. You just cost yourself $3,000. That hack is flammable. But what about a hack that is just dangerously stupid? What about a test that lies to you and could cost you your life? Number 4, the penny tire tread hack. This is the grandpa hack. This hack is so old and so dangerous, I am begging you to stop. The hack is, how do I know if my tires are bad? Aha, says the TikTok. Grab a penny, stick it in the tread, upside down. If the tread covers Abraham Lincoln's head, you are safe. You are good to go. But the truth is that you are not safe, and you definitely are not good to go. This is a lie. The penny test measures 2/32 of an inch. That is the absolute bare minimum legal limit in some states. That is not the safe limit. At 2/32 of an inch, your tire is bald. It has no ability to channel water. At 6/32 of an inch, a quarter, your tire's ability to stop in the rain is already dangerously reduced. But you listen to the hack. You're at 2/32. You are legal. And then it rains. You are on the highway. You are doing 65 miles per hour. You touch the brakes, and you just keep going. This is hydroplaning. You are not driving. You are a 9,000-pound boat with no rudder. Your stopping distance is not longer, it is infinite. This isn't a repair cost. This is a life cost. You hydroplane through that intersection. You T-bone a brand new Mercedes. You just paid your $5,000 deductible. Your insurance is canceled. You are getting sued. You just cost yourself $50,000. Okay, we are at number 4. We have seen hacks that destroy your headlights, ruin your interior, and send you hydroplaning into a lawsuit. But we are now at the Holy Trinity, the Mount Rushmore of, oh God, what have I done? The next 3 hacks are the worst of the worst. We are talking about a hack that sounds like science but is just stupid. We are talking about hacks that are chemical nightmare and will make your engine leak from every single seal. And at number one, we are talking about a hack so dangerous, so insidious, that it could cause a catastrophic, high-speed tire blowout. This is not a joke. This is the top 3. You are not ready. Number 3, the Coke battery terminal hack. This one is a classic. You pop the hood. Your battery terminals are covered in that white, crusty, green zombie gunk. The hack says, grab a can of Coca-Cola, pour it all over the battery terminals. And just like magic, the acid in the Coke fizzes, and it eats the corrosion. It's sparkling. It's a miracle of science. Really, this is so dumb. Yes, I said it. The reason is that the phosphoric acid in the Coke does react with the corrosion. But what else is in that can? Water and sugar. High fructose corn syrup. You just drenched your entire battery tray, your starter cables, your wiring harness, and your alternator wire in sticky sugar, water. What happens next? 1. The water just starts a new kind of corrosion. 2. The sugar dries. It becomes a sticky, gummy mess. 3. That sticky mess is a magnet. It attracts all the dirt, all the grime, and it holds it right against your wires. 4. What loves sticky sugar water? Bugs, ants, mice, rats. You just put out a dinner invitation for a rat family to come and live in your warm engine bay and chew on your soy-based wiring harness. This is not a hack. This is an infestation starter. You will go to start your car and nothing, because a rat has chewed through your main engine harness. This is an electrical gremlin nightmare. The dealer will not fix this. They will replace it. You just cost yourself $2,500. That's a sticky problem. Next up is the good idea that mechanics absolutely hate. It looks safe, but it's pure automotive rat poison. We're going to expose the common fix that guarantees you'll need a new engine. Don't fall for this toxic trap. Number 2, the brake fluid engine sludge hack. This is a secret one. This is the one the old-timers whisper about. Your engine is old. It's got sludge. You know it. The hack is, 10 minutes before your next oil change, you pour an entire bottle of brake fluid into your engine oil. The theory is that brake fluid is a super high detergent, and it will clean all the sludge and flush it out when you drain the oil. This is chemical warfare on your engine. This is insanity. Yes, brake fluid is a caustic solvent, and it is not compatible with your engine seals. Your engine seals, your rear main seal, your front main seal, your valve seals, your oil pan gasket. They are made of a specific kind of rubber designed to live with engine oil. Brake fluid eats that rubber. It will swell them. It will make them hard. It will make them brittle. It will turn your perfectly good, soft, pliable seals into hard, cracked plastic. You have just permanently murdered every single seal in your engine. For the next month, it will seem fine. And then, the weep starts. A drop from the oil pan. A drop from the crank seal. And then, it's not a weep, it's a leak, and then it's a torrent. Your engine is now leaking from everywhere. It is the Exxon Valdez of oil leaks. You have one fix, a full engine reseal. They have to pull the engine, pull the transmission. You just cost yourself $4,000. We've saved you thousands, but now for the ultimate hack. This is the one that separates the smart drivers from the stranded ones. This isn't about saving a dime. This hack is about saving everything. Number 1, the bleach tire shine hack. This is it, the final boss of bad hacks, and it is everywhere. So they tell you something like, you want your tires to look black, not shiny, but clean. Forget that expensive tire shine. Just go to the dollar store, get a bottle of Bleach White or Purple Power, or just straight up bleach and spray it all over your tires. Know what? This is the most dangerous hack on this entire list. Your tire is not just a piece of rubber, it is a complex chemical sandwich. And a key saving ingredient is a chemical compound called antioxidant. This is the chemical in the rubber that stops the tire from dry rotting. It stops the sun, the ozone, the air from cracking the rubber. Do this and you are chemically dry rotting your own tires. The tire looks clean for a week, and then it starts to turn that ugly, permanent brown. And then you see them, the micro cracks, all over the sidewall. You are now driving on a tire that has zero flexibility. It is hard. It is brittle. It is a bomb. God forbid you are on the highway and doing 75 miles per hour. You hit one small pothole, but your sidewall has no flex. It doesn't absorb the hit. It shatters. A catastrophic blowout. You are not getting a flat. You are getting an explosion. You lose control. You hit the guardrail. You flip. This is how people die. You just cost yourself new tires, $1,200. New rims, $800. New fender, $1,500. New suspension components, $1,000. You just cost yourself $4,500 if you survive. This is not a hack. This is attempted suicide. And that is the list. 8 hacks, 8 lies, 8 tips from a 10-second video that can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Stop listening to these gurus. Stop listening to these influencers. A bottle of toothpaste belongs in your bathroom. A magic eraser belongs on your wall. And a can of Coke belongs in the trash. Do it right, or you will be on the side of the road with a car that is on fire, leaking oil, and has no brakes. What's the worst hack you've ever seen? Let me know in the comments. Be smart, wrench safe, like, hype, subscribe. There's a video coming up on your screen right now. Click on it. I'll catch you there.